We want to work out how many sessions Andrew's attended. So we're going to find Andrew here and then click in the cell in column L for total sessions present. Now the easiest way to do this is to use the COUNTIF function. Click in the formula bar and type in equals COUNTIF. You'll notice that Excel pops up some words that it knows because it's recognised the keyword. The keyword's COUNTIF, and I'll put the bracket in, so now it says, okay, you want to enter the range. The range I'm interested goes from B2 all the way to K2. So I've clicked on the first cell, shift and click the last one, and it enters the range here. You can, of course, just type this in yourself. Now I'll put the comma in, and it's now highlighting criteria. So this is the value we're looking for. We want to look for the letter P to indicate that Andrew was present. So we're going to put the P in, but this must be in quotation marks. We need to use the speech marks on by pressing Shift and 2. Then we put the letter P, and we put another quote, and then we close it off and press F. And that tells us that Andrew's been present for 6 sessions. But of course he was late for these 2 here, so we need to add those 2 in here. So we're going to write another COUNTIF function, add to the initial score, COUNTIF, and then we want the same cell range, so I can just type it in, B2 to K2 separated by a colon, and this time instead of looking for the letter P, we're looking for the letter L, and I can then put the L in quotation marks, close the brackets, press End, and it tells us that Andrew was present for 8 sessions, which is absolutely spot on.